Welcome to the chapter similar triangles for standard 10. So, here in this question it is given, is a circle is given and AB and CD are two chords which intersect at P. It necessarily need not be at the center. So, its P is any point inside the center, inside the circle. So, now we have to prove triangle APC is similar to triangle TPC, BPD, and AP into PB is equal to CP into DP. So, let us consider these two triangles APC and BPD. Now, we have 1 equal to 2, it's vertically opposite angles. Now, if you see CAB and CDB are equal because BC is a common arc. So, angles in the same segment are equal. So, with these two we can say, you can also say C is equal to B, AD is a common arc. So, you can take just any either 3 equal to 4 or C equal to B. So, therefore, the triangle APC is similar to DPB, A similarity, then we will write the proportional sides. From that, if you take these two, you can say AP into PB is equal to DP into PC. So, an aeroplane leaves an airport and flies towards due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of 1200 km per hour. So, one aeroplane is going north at 1000 km per hour speed and another at a speed of 1000 km per hour. Now, how far apart will the two planes be after 1.5 hours? So, 1.5 hours we have to find the distance travelled by the plane going to west and the plane going to north, and then we have to find the distance between the two positions. So, let it be after 1.5 hours, let it be it is reaching A and B respectively. So, let us write. So, speed of plane moving towards plane moving towards plane moving towards west. So, speed is equal to 1000 km per hour. That means, in 1 hour it is moving 1000 kilometers hour. So, after 1.5 hours, distance travelled will be 1500 kilometers. In 1 hour it is 1000. So, in 1.5 hours it is 1500 kilometers. So, suppose this is point O. So, therefore, distance OA is equal to 1500 kilometers. Now, plane moving towards north. Oh, this should be north. So, this is OB. Towards west. Leaves and flies due west at a speed of 1200 kilometers per hour. So, speed is equal to 1200 kilometers per hour. So, after 1.5 hours, distance travelled is equal to 1800 kilometers. Therefore, OA is equal to 1800. In 1 hour it is 1000. So in 1.5 hours into 3 by 2. So you get this as 1500. Similarly you get it for this also. Now OA is equal to this. Now we have to find how far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours. So you have to find the distance AB. So AB squared is equal to OA squared plus OB squared. So this is root of, so AB is equal to root of OA squared is 1800 plus so if you do the calculations you will get AB is equal to 300 into root 61. So that planes will be will be 300 root 61 kilometers after 1.5 hours. So here two poles are given at a height of 6 and 11 meters, stand on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meters, find the distance between the tops. So now we have to find the distance. So D and the distance DE is what we have to find. So this is 6 and this is total is 11. So we can draw a line CD just parallel to the ground. So this will become 6, BC will become 6 and this will become 5. So draw CD parallel to AB. So AD and BE are the poles, where AD is equal to 6 and BE equal to 11, 6 meters and 11 meters. Now we have to find DE. So here this will become, so CD is equal to, therefore CD is equal to 12 meters and EC is equal to 5 meters. So therefore in triangle DCE, DE squared is equal to CD squared plus CE squared. So that is equal to, so DE is equal to root of CD squared is 12 squared plus 5 squared, 25. So DE is, therefore DE is equal to 13 meters. So distance between their tops is equal to is equal to 13 meters. So here the two chords AB and CD of a cyclic quadrilateral, AB of CD of a circle intersect each other at P, that is outside the circle. Now prove that triangle PAC is similar to PDB. So now this ABC, AB, DC form a cyclic quadrilateral. So ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. We know that in a cyclic quadrilateral, exterior angle is equal to the interior opposite angle. So we can say PAC, let us put this as angle 1, is equal to PDB. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2, and similarly angle this is equal to angle C is equal to angle 1, 2, 3 and 4. So angle 1 is, so consider the triangle PAC and triangle PBD. So in PAC you can say angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. The reason is in cyclic quadrilateral the exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle. So from this we can say triangle PAC is similar to triangle 1 is equal to 2. So PDB, A similarity. Now we will write down the proportional sides. So PA by PD, PA by PD is equal to PA by PD is equal to PC by PB, PC by PB. So PA into PB sides are proportional in a similar triangles. So PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. Here one person is sitting here and doing fishing, and this is the rod and this is the string. So the tip of the finishing rod is 1.8 meters above the surface of water. So the tip so this is the rod. So at this tip with the surface of the water, the height is 1.8 meters and the fly at the end of the string rests on the water 3.6 meters away and 2.4 meters from a point directly under the tip of the rod. So here directly under the tip of the rod means this point. From this point the fly is at 2.4 meters away and totally the distance is 3.6. So from here to here, suppose we'll write this as B and C. So BC is 3.6. Find the length of the string. So it is 3.6 meters away from the end, from here, and from this point directly under the tip of the rod, from that to this is 2.4. So if the string is pulled at 5 centimeters per second, what will be the horizontal distance of the fly after 12 seconds? So first write A, B and let this point A, B, C and D, let this be D. So if you take that, AB squared is equal to AD squared plus BD squared in triangle ADB. So this is equal to AB squared, we know sorry, AB squared we don't know, AD squared we know. So, this is equal to root of 1.8 AB is equal to root of 1.8 squared plus BD is 2.4 squared. So, this will be 3.24 plus 5.76, and then this will be root 9 is equal to 3 meters. So, this length of the string is 3 meters we have got. Now, the length of the string is pulled in 12 seconds at the rate of 5 centimeters per second. The string is pulled at 5 centimeters per second. So, now after 12 seconds, the distance mode will be 5 into 12, so 60 centimeters, that is equal to 0.6 meters. Now, we have to find what will be the horizontal distance of the fly after 12 seconds. So, now the figure will be, the string is at this point, so now the fly is at this point, and this distance will be 2.4. So, total length is 3. Now, from here to here is 0.6 meters. So, this will become 3 minus this is 2.4. So, let us write this as A, this point is B, CD, this is AE. So, AB is equal to 3 meters. So, now BE is 0.6. Therefore, AE is equal to 2.4. Now, we have to find the horizontal distance. So, we will have to find the horizontal distance. So, let us put this as F. So, in triangle, we have to find I will explain it again. Here the girl is sitting here, AB, we have found this the total length of the string, and then now she is pulling the string back. So, in 12 seconds she has pulled 0.6 meters. Now, the string has been pulled, so the string has come to this position because the length of the string has reduced. So, AF is equal to 2.4. So, it is not AE, AF. This point I have marked this as F. So, AF is equal to 2.4. Now, they are asking to find the horizontal distance of the fly. So, now the fly is at this point, from here to here. Now, you have to find the distance. So, this is C. So, we have to find CF. Now, again in triangle ADF, we can say AF squared is equal to AD squared plus FD squared. So AF is, so FD squared is equal to, so FD is equal to root of 2.4 whole squared minus AD squared is equal to 1.8 squared. So this is equal to 5.76 minus 3.24. So you get root of 2.52, taking the square root, approximately you get 1.59 meters approximately. Now we have to find FC. So that horizontal distance is equal to, so the distance is equal to FD plus CD. It is 1.59 plus 1.2, you get 2.79 meters approximately.